friends, welcome once again to Asian for Online Maths. In this video, we shall solve this problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at YouLesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. So we have 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 2016. By me looking at this particular problem, it will seem as if it is so difficult to solve because we are looking for two letters m and n. But this is coming from Olympiad past question. Let's see if a solution can come up here. Now, for us to subtract to get a difference that is positive. You know, when we subtracted, we got a difference of 2016. This shows to us that the 2 power of m is greater than 2 power of n, because after the subtraction we are getting a positive result. That is why 2 power m is greater than 2 power n, and because both of them are bases of 2, it then follows that m is still greater than n. Alright, it follows that m is greater than n. So assuming we want to make a value for m, it means that m should be equal to n plus a certain number, let's say k. Since m is greater than n, it means that if we add something to n, it will be equal to m because n is greater than m. Alright? Then, from this, we can now write that 2 to the power of n plus k, seeing this particular m that is here, I have to remove m and put n plus k. Then we have take away 2 to the power of n is equal to 2016. Alright? From this, you can know that this can be written as 2 to the power of n multiplied by 2 to the power of k from the laws of indices, because you can equally add their power since it is multiplication. Minus 2 power n is equal to 2016. You can now factor out 2 power of n, which is common. So you'll be having 2 to the power of k take away 1, because 2 power n times 2 to the power of k will give us 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of k. And 2 to the power of n times negative 1 will give us negative 2 to the power of n. Then everything will be equal to 2016. So you write 2016. Alright? Then, from here, you can try to factorize 2016 to see if you get something meaningful. When you do that, you have 2016. Let's break it down. 2 here will give us 108. 2 divide 108 is 54. Okay, sorry, 1008. And 2 divide 1008 is 504. 2 divide 504 will give us 252, and 2 here will give us 126, 2 here will give us 63, and 2 cannot go again. You can just stop here for now. So we continue that 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of k minus 1 will now be equal to 2 to the power of, how many 2's do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then multiply by 63. Multiply by 63. So we have multiplied by 63. This is what we are having. Then this implies that any number, when 2 power of any number is always even. So this is even. And also 2 power 5 is 32, which is even. But 63 is odd, and again 2 power any value take away 1 must be odd. For example, 2 power 4 is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. 2 power 6 is 64, minus 1 is 63, so this is odd. So compare even with even and compare odd with odd. By so doing, you have that 2 power n is equal to 2 power 5. That means that n is equal to 5, because the bases are not the same, you equate their powers. So n is equal to 5. If n is equal to 5, you now know that we can get our k, that 2 to the power of k, take away 1 is equal to 63. Solving this, 2 power k will now be equal to 63 plus 1, which will give us 64. This is now 64. And then 2 power k will now be equal to 2 to the power of 6, because 64 is 2 power 6. Bases are the same thing. You now have that your k is 6. But we are not looking for k, we are looking for m and n. Already n is equal to 5, but we need to get our n. There was a place where we wrote that m is equal to n plus k. M is equal to n plus k. We write m is equal to n plus k. So m will now be n is 5 plus k, which is now 6. So m will give us 11. Therefore, m is equal to 11 and n is equal to 5. These are the solution to the original equation given to us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you.